3 feet or 1 meter between your travel party and others. Remember to wash your hands with soap and water often for at least 20 seconds. We appreciate
Remember to wash your hands with soap and water.
And others. Remember to wash your hands with soap and water often for at least 20 seconds.
So they're still playing
and understanding.
the announcement, which is great. Just a reminder to wash your hands, practice social distancing. Look at those beautiful palm trees. Those are my favorite. Palm trees and Christmas trees. Best trees ever. So they told me to go to guest services because the ticket desk at the hotel is closed for the evening. So we're at guest services to pick up our tickets for the parks because the desk at our hotel was already closed for the day. So they told us we could go to guest services at either of the parks or at CityWalk. So we are at CityWalk, just waiting to pick up our tickets. So our room for the next few days and our park tickets were all gifted. Thank you so much to Universal Studios. And if you guys need a trip plan, make sure to contact me. I would be happy to help you plan your trip. I can book Universal, I can book Disney, I can book Cancun, I can book anywhere. So just let me know. Look at CityWalk. Oh my gosh. Antojito. I think we're gonna go there tonight. It's bumping. There's islands. Guys, it worked. We're in. They let us in. The clock closes in 5 minutes. Oh my gosh. Walk, baby, walk. Walk, walk, walk.
Walking, walking.
Ooh, cool Velocicoaster shirts in there. Joy is gonna get to ride Hulk tonight. And she is completely beside herself. Am I getting in line? No.
You're not even getting in line?
Heck no. They might try to make me stay. Why'd you ask me that? Picture or something, but there she is. How was it? How many thumbs up do you give it? Woo! that one?
And we got my picture.
Because mommy doesn't ride the Hulk anymore. So the park is officially closed. Well, what time is it?
They closed 45.
The park closed 45 minutes ago. But it's cool that they let you ride even when the park is closed. So we will be back here tomorrow. Until tomorrow, Islands of Adventure. Yeah, we're going to CityWalk and get some Voodoo Doughnuts and try to get into Toothsome to eat. Oh, she wants to go to Bubblegum. We're in line for Voodoo Doughnuts, and we're next up. Can't wait. We'll take you guys inside. So you guys will see different perspectives on this trip. So make sure to follow or subscribe to this channel and Joy's channel, Joy Valentina, because she will show things that I won't show, and I'll show things that she won't show. So make sure that you are subscribed to both channels, guys. Let's see, hopefully we get inside soon.
Chocolate old fashioned. Do you see how it's
What do we want?
Ain't no fashion. You know, Brianna would love that. Oh, there is just the glazed with
Sorry, write it down.
cinnamon sugar cake. Let's see, what are we gonna get? Here's all the delicious. Okay, so it's almost our turn, Miss Muggle. What? A wooden coffin of donuts? Can you imagine?
How many donuts come in there?
I don't know, and I don't know if I want to know. Right, I think I forgot to tell you guys that we are at Antojitos, and that's what we're having for dinner. There's a stage up there, so I'm guessing they do live entertainment some night. Look at that kitchen back there. You can see them cooking. That's exciting. I love restaurants like that. There's the bar over there. And, uh-oh, we got our donuts too. but they left one donut out. We got half a dozen, and we're missing a donut, so I'm gonna have to go back and get our other little pink. Hey guys, I got some queso fundido because I wanted to try it. I heard it's really good. So I'm gonna dig in. So I got the combination fajitas. We got chicken and steak. So I got the chicken quesadilla
With no peppers.
no peppers. And we're gonna eat. So we'll talk to you guys soon. Bye. Okay guys, we got the check. So, I mean, I don't like to show food that's been eaten already, but we ate a good amount of it. So, see you later.